Hello from a faraway galaxy. This is Gravi Zappa, a legendary artifact for space travels, which has been considered lost for a long time. I will tell you how it is constructed and will reveal a top secret: where to insert your Zappa. The mechanical dice tower Gravi Zappa is made of transparent, luminescent acrylic material. The heart of the mechanism is the infinite spiral. You can load it with dice of different size, from a tiny D6 to a big D20. Spin the dial clockwise and the dice will get free from the heartless gravity bouncing on the orange steps. Colliding in the weightlessness, they will make a perfect dice roll. If you've got a few dice, spin strongly. If you've got many of them, do it slower. Then turn the dial counter-clockwise until it stops. The dice will pour out and the spiral will get back to its initial position. It is really easy to assemble this dice tower if you follow the instructions. The parts are assembled without glue, and Zappa is inserted here. While the dial is spinning, it makes a very pleasant sound, and also it serves as a stopper. After the game, put Gravi Zappa against the night sky and add dimmed side light. Spin the dial without dice and meditate to the whisper of the infinite spiral.